This lesson is all about prepositions. So prepositions link a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to other parts of a sentence. Prepositions show how things relate to each other. Some prepositions show how things relate to each other in terms of location. For example, under, over, on, above, or by. Some prepositions show how things relate to each other in terms of time, such as before, during, or after. Can you find the preposition in this sentence? The book was on the table. If you said on, you were correct. On shows where the book is in relation to the table. How about this one? Don't eat before breakfast. If you said before, you were correct. Before is the preposition in this sentence.